Rytr versus Jarvis AI. Which one is a better AI copywriter? Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to be comparing Rytr with Jarvis, and we'll figure out which one of these platform is better for you to use for your content writing. If you are writing a blog, social media post, essay, or if you want to copyright something, which is let's get started. Up first, we have writer.me, and you will simply so today I will tell you all about Rytr and Jarvis, and we'll figure out that which one is better. So what you have to do is you will simply go to writer.me and you will simply sign up for Rytr, and then we have Jarvis.ai. So keep in mind, Jarvis recently changed its name to Jasper, so you will go to jasper.ai, which was formerly Jarvis. So the website is going to be jasper.ai, and you can simply get your own free trial. And again, with Rytr as well, you will simply go to writer.mi and start with your free trial. So let's go to the dashboard of Rytr first, and let me show you how we can write a document in Rytr, and then we'll compare it to Jarvis and what are the different features and tools we get. So you can see right here, we have right in here, we have to select a language. Let's create something and it will give us a better idea. So I'm gonna select language is going to be English, and then we have tone. What kind of tone you want to go for? How Rytr and Jarvis both are actually AI, artificial intelligence, that create your post, that write content for you. What you have to do is you just have to feed some information into it, and then they will write anything for you, your blog, your social media post, or maybe your essay if you want them to write it. So we have a tone right here. Let's say that I want to go for a convincing tone, and we have casual, then we have critical, we have funny, we have formal, we have informative, we have joyful, passionate, thoughtful, urgent, and worried as well. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select convincing. Then we have choose the case. Now in here we select what we want to write. If you want to go for a blog idea and outline, or you want to go for Facebook, Twitter, and LinkedIn ads, if you want to go for email. So these are the different options that we get on Rytr, and you will simply select from here. So one thing that I would actually like to mention, how to sign up for Rytr before you get into the dashboard right here. So the signing up process is really easy. You simply click on start writing, and then what happens is you sign up with the free plan that Rytr gives you. You can check out writer.me and get your free plan right now, and then you will also get your dashboard like this. You can also check out their pricing plan, and let me actually show you the pricing plan really quickly. So we have a free plan which is going to be unlimited, free plan, free forever, so you can simply go for the free plan. Then we have $9 per month, and then we have $29 per month. The features are given right here. So I have signed up for the free plan. You can get your free plan right here, and then you simply sign up with your Google account or your email address. So now we were choosing our case, right? So you can select a blog idea outline. We have brand name, we have business ideas, we have email, Google search, a magic command, we have product description, we have song lyrics, we have a video description, video ideas, whatever you want it to write. So let's go with a blog idea and outline. So now we have to add our primary keyword. So what I am going to do is I'm going to add my keywords right here. Okay, let's go with skincare. There you go. Number of variants, how many variants you're actually looking for. So I'm gonna go for 2 variants, and then we have to select the creativity level. What is the creativity level? It should be low, medium, high, optimal, or max, which is going to be less factual. So what I am going to do is I'm gonna go with optimal, and write for me. Click right here, and then it will start writing, and within minutes you will get your own blog on Rytr super easily. It's super easy to use as well. You can see right here, it will just take a minute, and then we will get our new document right here. So you can see right here, I just added the primary keyword right here, which was skincare. And now we got our own blog right here, which has the keyword right here, skincare. And then you will also see that now I can actually add, I can make anything bold. I can also write within it, of course, because when we will be writing something, you can edit it out any way you want to. You can edit the title right here. But now I have a better idea that what I can go for. I can go with the introduction, benefits, what are the different techniques, and then we have a brief guide. Then we have the next generation skincare. So these are the different things that we can go for. And then we have image option, attach option. Then I can go with alignments, and then the font, everything can be added within our writer. So you can also check, if you're using any other AI writing assistants such as Grammarly. So you will also be able to kind of like get check your mistakes if there are any. So make sure to read it. And once you do that, then you can simply write your own outline, your blog, anything you want to. Let's say business ideas, call to action, copywriting, whatever you want to do. You can simply click right here, and then a writer will write it down for you within minutes. So that is how you use Rytr.me. Super easy platform, very cheap as well. I also showed you the pricing plan, and these are the different tools that you are going to be getting in Rytr.me. Go ahead and check it out right now. So now let's check out Jarvis.ai or Jasper.ai. So Jasper is actually kind of like a little famous than Rytr, and it is also an AI, a powered assistant that writes your blogs and your books, your ebooks, stories, essays, whatever you want to write. So what happens is you simply create your own, account with Jasper right here. You can try it out for free. The signing up process for Jasper is really easy. You simply sign up with your Google account, or you sign up with your email address, and then you can also check out their pricing plans. So let's check out the pricing plan for Jasper real quick, so you have a better idea about the affordability of the platform. Plus, we will be able to compare it to our Rytr, and we will have an idea which one is actually cheaper. So this is the pricing plan for Jasper.ai. You can see right here, it depends on the word that you're going for. If you're going for 20,000 words, or let's say 30,000 words per month, then you will pay $49. And then you have the boss mode, that is going to be 1 million words per month, and it is going to be $99. So this is actually pretty good. You can just simply get started with any of these plans. The free trial is actually available, and you will be able to sign up with the plan, and then you can simply start writing with Jasper.ai. If we talk about the different features in Jasper, we have you can simply write any kind of content. You can go with blogs, you can go with essays and descriptions, anything. Different features that we were getting in Rytr are also available in Jasper. Then another thing that we get in Jasper is SEO integrations. This is actually pretty amazing that we're getting the SEO integrations within our Jasper. That really helps our content to be SEO friendly, because when it comes to blogs and content writing for a website, we want our content to be SEO friendly, and that's what Jasper is going to be providing us. And we will be able to write SEO friendly content, high quality content with a lot of keywords, and we will be able to kind of like create a content that is search engine optimized. So that will really help us stand our website or our blog in the first results of a Google search, and that's what we want. When it comes to writing essays or for your personal use, you will be able to write very content with very good sentences. And when it comes to grammar, Jasper is really good, and it's one of the very advanced AI if we talk about the AI writing assistants. Then we also have 25 plus languages available on Jasper. Again, on Rytr as well, we had different languages to choose from. So this is amazing that we get different languages. You can see right here, and on Jasper as well, we have more than 25 languages available right now that will help you write your content in any language you want to. So yeah guys, this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you, and now you know the difference between Rytr and Jasper.ai.